on, guys? We're down here at Gainesville Raceway for South Florida Mini GP 3-day camp. As you can see, we've got a lot of cones behind us. Cones are laid over, knocked over. Just kidding, they're actually there for a specific reason. Julian Carrera, who's right behind me somewhere, he's doing his advanced camp, which is pretty cool. I'm actually down here helping coach this weekend with all the campers. It's a pretty cool opportunity to see all these young kids and older adults like myself come out here and perfect their craft and get better, which is pretty awesome. One of the biggest things I think most people miss when they overlook mini bikes is the opportunity to get much faster on your full-size bike. The fundamentals, you can come out here, and to give you an idea, again, if you haven't watched my Bushnell 3-day camp video, I recommend you go watch that. But this whole track, which Gainesville is huge, they're coming back and racing here, which I highly recommend you come out and do. But they take sections of the track and basically set up cones, kind of like what's behind me here, and they do drills. There is basically 12 different concurrent drills. The most exciting part about being down here and coaching is, or being a rider for that matter, is you're getting instruction from some of the fastest kids and adults in North America who race in Moto America regularly, who are racing overseas in World Championship Series. We're breaking down basically all your bad street habits. If you're a street rider, we're building you up on a good foundation if you've never ridden a bike before. And South Florida Mini GP has been doing this for 10 years, and they've got a good system dialed in. I mean, you've got guys like Julian, Woodworth, the Dreyer siblings. DeMario was here yesterday. Just the talent pool is unreal, and all the kids that come through this program, I've said it once and I cannot say it enough, the kids that come through this program, this camp, end up on a professional stage somewhere. Sean Dillon Kelly, obviously Red Bull Rookies Cup, racing superbikes in Moto America. I mean, the progression does not stop here at these silly cones. It builds a good foundation for your riding career, for your street riding. If you want to get safer on the street, you become more aware, you become very aware of the capabilities, limitations of your bike, all while being here. And I cannot speak highly of this program enough. It's hard to get better at your riding if you don't have that consistent feedback. If you don't have that constructive criticism feedback, you cannot get better if you don't know what you're doing wrong. You might come out here and think you're doing everything great, and then it's like, oh man, I've been doing this wrong the whole time. So guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm so excited to get this footage. They only do this once a year, and the opportunity to do this is unbelievable. So huge thanks to South Florida Mini GP. I've got all their info in the bio, in the description below. But if you're in the area, or if you're looking to perfect your craft or just become a better, safer rider, South Florida Mini GP is where it's at. I hope to see you out here soon.